receive a password-protected Excel file, or forgot password to open your Excel workbook. Follow us to Unprotect Excel with PassFab for Excel. Get it from PassFab official website or click the link below to download the software. Open PassFab for Excel. Select Recover Excel Open Password. Import your locked Excel. Select One Attack Method. Click Recover. Now, you get your password. Copy to open your Excel. And you can view or edit your workbook. If you want to unprotect it, click File in the top left corner. Go to Info tab. Click Protect Workbook. Choose Encrypt with Password. Delete your password. Click OK. Then save changes.